How to adjust keyboard backspace speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard setting. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. So after click on swipe touch and feedback, so click on backspace speed. So you will see backspace speed is slow, normal and fast. So if you want to adjust, so click on slow and click on normal and click on fast. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can adjust keyboard backspace speed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.